Hey everyone, how y'all doing? I have yet another multi-tool unboxing for you. This is the BBURY 16-in-1 multi-tool I picked up on the cheap. This thing was listed on Amazon at $11.99 plus a 10% coupon box to check. So I got it for $10.79. Like if you saw any of my recent videos, I've shown this a couple of times. I bought this for the purpose of like throwing in my truck in the center console, leaving it, my Maxpedition beefy pouch that I have a bunch of tools and stuff in. I take, bottom of my backpack and just kind of forget about it. If it's, quality enough, it'll be there in case I don't have one of my other multi-tools and I gotta get out of a jam. I didn't get this as my main multi-tool by any means because I do have Leatherman Wave Plus, the Skeletal CX. I just got this. This was supposed to be in the last video, but I got this, so I used that. I did a video on this. I have a Gerber MP 600. I have the Leatherman Rev. I got the little Micra and the Squirt. So yeah, I got some other cheap, budget multi-tools. They're basically junk, but I do have quite a few multi-tools. Now, a couple of videos ago, I did a video on this one. It's another BBURY, and this one I got really cheap. I think it was listed at $13.99, and it had a 50% check on it, and I got it for $6.99. Can't beat that. Seems to have disappeared. I can't find it on Amazon again, but I was pleasantly surprised by this little tool. It's all 3CR steel, a halfway decent little blade. I don't understand the tip being blunt. Again, everything locks, Interesting little tool here. It's got a rope cutter that actually worked okay. This thing they call the stand. I think it's a phone stand. You put your phone in there so it stands up. I'm not sure that's what it was, but that's what I'm going to use it for. It's got like a SIM card removal tool. That's pretty neat to have. And yeah, I was pleasantly surprised by this. So hopefully this one will be the same. I'll be kind of surprised by it. And yeah, I'll throw it in a bag or something in my truck. But yeah, BBURY multifunction tool. This one's BI-MT-009. Back here is diagram. Tells you all the tools. 16 tools. Material 3C13. I got that fly in here again. As soon as I turn these lights on, I get this fly bugging me. The lengths don't make any sense to me. 2.17 expansion length, closing length 1.58. But yeah, let's check this thing out. I've had this thing for days. I haven't looked at it yet. It's been tempting me for days now. But yeah, it comes in a sheath. That's a stitched on rubber little patch. It's got a plastic belt clip, which is nice. You don't have to undo your belt and pull it out of your belt loops to put this on or off. It's got a loop on here. It's one of those hard-sided cases. They're pretty nice. I have one like this. Yeah. It's got a snap button closure here. That seems to work pretty good. Yeah, it's not a bad sheath. I only paid, less than 11 bucks, and it comes with a decent enough sheath. So let's check the tool out. Little plastic bag. Check the outside. feels solid. It's, you know, it's got some weight to it. Not too much play that, you know, in the handle there. This silver part is raised up a little bit. You can feel that somewhat. I don't think it's going to be too bad. Pocket clip. Comes with a pocket clip with it. Not bad for $12. Or what did I? $11. Less than $11 I paid for it. Yeah. All the tools. The locking. There's a lock release button. One on both sides. So, I guess we'll go through the outside tools. Got a knife blade that you can finagle open one-handed. Nice looking blade. Drop point. Flat grind. See if it cuts anything. Try some paper. And it's a little rough, a little toothy edge on it. Not great, not bad. See, does it cut, cut jute twine? Yeah, that's no problem. Will it cut paracord? Yeah. That's good. Will it cut this poly rope? I think it's 3/8. I almost went through it. Almost. Oops. There. Yeah. Well, I said it was flat. Might be hollow ground. A hollow grind. I'm not sure now. But okay, blade. Like I said, 13 C or 3CR13. It's not gonna, you know, stay sharp long. You're gonna have to sharpen it. I have one 3CR knife, and it's a hot wire from Walmart, Kershaw, and that thing, if I use it, I strap it, brings it back to life. So this will not hold an edge very long. I can tell you that right now. It'd be easy to sharpen. Like I said, it locks. There's a little bit of play up and down. Not much, if anything, side to side. But you push that button to release the lock. Here, got a scale on one side, file on the other side, and all I really have. Let's try this paneling nail, see if I can file the paint off. Yeah, wow, it actually filed it. I can see it's flattening the little ridges right out. And wood. Wow. That actually file actually works. You can see the shiny parts. Yeah, it's filing it. It's not long, but that's a good point. That works. I got a smallish Phillips head. That's probably a #1. Let's see. These screws, you know, they're not really tight, but yeah, it's a little small actually, the screwdriver tip, but it works. How long will it last if you're really reefing on it? I don't know. I'll definitely try to use these BBURY tools and maybe come back and do a combined follow-up. Yeah, flathead screwdriver, bottle opener. Flathead looks decently cut, machined. Now this one, that's a little tight releasing that. This side, can opener. Can opener does have somewhat of an edge on it. Little flathead screwdriver. Next tool, so small little flathead screwdriver. Maybe for glasses. I don't know. If I take my glasses off, I wouldn't be able to see the screws. So, yeah, that might work on certain pair of eyeglasses. It's not going to be really strong. I foresee twisting that tip, but I don't know. Haven't used it. This next one, it's got to be a nail nick or something on here. Keep getting off frame here. That's a total pain in the butt to get out. But what we got here? A short serrated edge. Let's try cutting through paracord. Yeah, that shreds right through that. I don't know if I got a piece of this rope I can hang on to. Let's try this. Cut most of the way through. Yeah, I'm not real big on serrated blades, so I'll probably never actually use that. Maybe it doesn't have a saw blade, so maybe if I had to try to notch something out. Could probably use that. Yeah, might come in useful someday. Close that up. This thing, it's a pretty decent size of scissors here. Let's see. Cut paper. Oh yeah. Now, the scissors was one thing I was kind of impressed on this. I can remember which one it was. So, these actually work pretty good. Now, a little bit of play in the pivot. This one, if you push to the side, put a little pressure sideways, it really cut good, and it cut better at the tips. This one, cut that paper okay. See if it cut the jute twine. Yeah, actually it's the same. I'm putting a little pressure on my thumb this way, and it's cutting it really good at the tip. Yeah, even back towards the pivot, I cut that. Paracord. Oops, that was my fault. Let's see. Yeah, and cuts paracord. That's cool. How about this piece of zip tie? Yeah, I'm liking that. That's working good. I don't know if it would cut through this. Let's try it at the tip. You could cut your way out with the scissors, but it'll take a while. What else I got? I have this old ratchet strap, you know, tie down. Will it cut that? Yeah. Yeah, it cuts it. Not too bad. Not a bad pair of scissors. I don't mind that. Lock, fold up. Yeah, this thing's not horrible. Not horrible. Pliers seem pretty good. Come together. Can I twist it? A little bit of play. Got wire cutters. Let's try some of the wire cutters out. Have this wire. Cuts that. That's like solid aluminum. I don't know what gauge it is. 16, 14. Oh, that might have been me. Yeah, it cuts that. I have this other wire. This is has a couple, 3 little tiny strands. It's a phone charger wire. Yeah, it cuts that. See, I use the hard wire cutters down the bottom where they're cut out a little bit. I bet you it will strip it. Yeah. Did I cut anything out of there? Yeah, I did cut the wire. So you could probably do it. I clamped all the way down. Probably just rotate it. Then pull. Yeah, that worked better. I think I cut a little bit of the wire. But yeah, wire cutters work. They're not replaceable, so that's all part of the pliers. Got this nail in here. See if I can. Yeah, didn't seem to flex much at all, if any. There's a little bit of, I think the play is in the handle pivots, but really, this doesn't appear to be too bad. On the pliers, you can see it says stainless 420J2 right there. 420J2. I don't know what the J2 is. 420 is not bad for a hunk of metal, you know, knife blades, depending on how it's heat treated. But this thing, for what did I pay for this? Less than 11 bucks on Amazon with a little coupon. Normally they're $11.99, 12 bucks. For 12 bucks, and my first impressions here, I think that's a pretty good deal. Like I said, I didn't mention the pliers are spring loaded. That's nice. Grip, bearing down on it. Yeah, not bad. That edge is, you know, pretty thin. I can feel that. This side, not that bad. This side's no different than really any multi-tool with a big gap, you know, and you're squeezing. But yeah, the BBURY 16-in-1 multi-tool. Again, the number on this is BI-MT-009. BBURY. You look down here, they're out of United Kingdom, London actually, but everything's made in China. Yeah, there's a couple other BBURY multi-tools. I think it's the 13-in-1 that I've seen more videos on, and that looks pretty good. But yeah, this is definitely something that I'll throw into my backpack and just leave, or throw in my truck and leave it. Not too You know, I don't know if I weighed it or not. Weight is 7.37 ounces, 209 grams. So it's got a little weight. Feels like there's something, you have a hold of something. But yeah, you know, I'm pleasantly kind of surprised by these BBURY tools like this one. Got some kind of little bug jumping around. Where do you go? As soon as I'm out in the garage, my little room out here in the garage, as soon as I turn the lights on, fly, and strange little bugs come flying out at me. But yeah, I was surprised at this little guy and this one. Yeah, I'm impressed. You know, like it's it's no Leatherman Wave size comparison. They're pretty close. It's not going to replace the Wave Plus, you know, my arsenal, but yeah, definitely if you're looking for a multi-tool, a really budget, you know, inexpensive tool with, you know, it's fair. I don't know how long the tools will last, being made out of 3CR13, but yeah, I'm liking it. I don't feel ripped off for spending 12 bucks or 11 bucks on this. Comes with a pocket clip. I'll try that real fast. Yeah, in and out pocket okay. Whoa, dropping it. You know, halfway decent multi-tool, pocket clip, and halfway decent sheath. I wonder which way is the best. Must be like that's the best way. Halfway decent sheath with a pocket clip, not a pocket loop. I like that. It's plastic though. Don't know if they'll, you know, crack and break or whatnot, but yeah. Hey, 12 bucks. Or actually less than 11 for me. I'm satisfied with it. I think it's okay. And I guess that's it. As usual, if you like these videos, hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. You know, if you know of a budget, inexpensive multi-tool that's pretty decent, let me know what it is. I might want to check it out. Yeah, sheath's not too bad. But yeah, that's it, man. You subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until next video, bye.